Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surjit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Pahaji. In today's Excel tutorial, we will learn how to create dependent drop-down. Actually, we will learn how to create drop-down and we will also learn how to create dependent drop-down in this video. So as you can see on my screen, I have listed 3 categories. The first one is fruits, second one is vegetables and third one is grains. And I have respective names of these categories underneath their names. So my requirement is that in first drop down I should have any one of these 3 categories. It should display fruits, vegetables or grains, and when I select that drop down, it should show the respective name of the category above. For an example, if I select fruits, it should only display the fruit names in the second drop down, and if I select vegetables, it should only show the vegetables name. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, we need to create a normal drop down here. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to select that particular cell, click on data. Here I need to select data validation, again data validation. Now in this data validation box, what I will do, I will select the list and I will click on source text box. And here what I will do, I will select all 3 categories which I want to show in the drop down. I will click on OK. So this is the way of creating a normal drop down for only one category. Now if I click on this arrow button, as you can see, it's giving me 3 options to select either from the 3 categories: fruits, vegetables or grains. Now my requirement is that if I select fruits, as I discussed earlier, it should only show the fruit names, and if I select vegetables, it should only show the vegetables name, and so on and so forth. So for that, what I have to do, I have to prepare the next drop down. So what I will do, I will select all the names underneath fruits and then go to this name box, as this one is a name box, select here and I will type in fruits, press enter. So a name range is created. Similarly, what I will do, I will select all the vegetables name, again go to this name box here and I will write vegetables, press the enter. The second name range is created. Similarly, for grains, I will select all the name here. I will go here and I will type in grains and press the enter. Okay, so now what I have to do, I have to select the required cell wherein I want to create the drop down. I will go to data, again data validation again. Here in the data validation dialog box, in this drop down I will select list. In source, this one is important. I will write a very simple formula, is equal to indirect, and I will start the bracket and I will point to the cell where the first drop down was created. So for my case it was here. I will close the bracket and press on OK. Once I press OK, as you can see that there are 2 drop downs available here and here. Okay, now once I select fruits, see apple, banana, avocado, oranges and papaya, only the fruit names are coming. Similarly, if I select vegetables, the second drop down will only show vegetables name as per the list here. See, I can select any one of them. Okay, now if I select grains, you can easily see that it's giving me the grains list only. It's not showing me the vegetables or the fruits list, right? So this is the method of creating dependent drop down. So it was pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you have enjoyed this simple video of creating dependent drop down. Very easy steps, yet very powerful. So I request you to please click on like button if you have enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you are coming here for the first time, and please raise any questions if you have in the comment section below. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.